Okay, well, what I'm going to do is take this. I got to cut this light bulb out. This wire just pulled out. It's been corroding over the years, and so the wire is pretty much gone. So what I'm going to do is remove this light and then take these two wires here and just put them together and call it a day. So to do that, I need my wire cutters here. There's that. Okay. Okay, so now what I want to do, I think I want to use just heat shrink and put these two together. I thought about putting a connector here, but I don't think I'm going to go that route. I think I'm just going to go with a basic heat shrink. Cut, just right size cut already. Yeah. Okay. There's that. This is just going to be a basic repair to these lights. I know a lot of people say you shouldn't do it that way. You should use a butt connector. You should do this, do that. Yeah, I get it. You'll do it another way. Everybody has their own specific way. Okay. Oh crap. No, I can't get this. There we go. Make sure. That's hot. Hmm. And there you go. Basic repair. Simple as that. ABC 1, 2, 3 connected. Now I'm out of a light bulb here, so it's going to be a bit of a span to make this stretch, but dude, I think it's good enough. I think it'll serve the purpose, but I'm gonna do something else here. These wires here are so loose I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this around. Doesn't have to be pretty, just hold these wires together. I know a lot of people say, well, why not electrical tape at least, or heat shrink around all that? Well, like I said, it doesn't have to be pretty because, well, these lights here are, the wires are okay. What happened was I was doing some yard work and I just pulled the wire out of the light socket. is all I did. And it was corroding a little bit. You can see some of the wires weren't even uh, hanging on. Some of these lights, I mean, these are about 30 years old, this strand of LED lights. Actually, I bought these back in summer of 2000, so they're 24 years old. So, yeah, there you go.